Good morning, student. Welcome to Gyanjiti online classes. So, class 8, a horse and two dogs. Continue of the page 6, middle of the portion, 6th page. I will continue today onwards. Okay, so we have discussed yesterday how this foreigner met Muni and what incident happened. Let's discuss. Muni shrank away from the car. Perhaps he was trying to present a warrant and arrest him. Let's see. When the foreigner showed him this card, Muni thought that he may be a policeman, and that's why he feared. That's why his song means drew back in fear. Yeah. So perhaps he was trying to present a warrant and arrest him because he understood that the policeman has come from warrant. Warrant means some case is petition against him and he has come to take him. So that's why he feared a lot. Beware of khaki. Do you know khaki means police. If you have any mistake, then they will take you to jail. So he went on, all in the chest, Tamil, for which Kritam was famous. Now he knew that Kritam is Muni's house, village, and chest means pure. Yes, means they have not done any mischief. They are very honest and innocent persons. Okay, so he went on all the chest Tamil for which Kritam was famous before God, Sir Bhagavan, who sees everything. Now he is pleading, saying to this foreigner in presence of God, okay, before God. What he is saying? I tell you, sir, that we know nothing of the case. Do you know in this village there was incident that one of the person was murdered, and murder was done by another village near a tree, and they think that these villagers, Kritam is that villagers people are very honest, they have not done any mischief. So that's why he is telling like that we know nothing of the case. If the murder was committed, if the murder was committed, whoever did, it will not escape. Really, a true culprit, true person will be given punishment. Bhagwan is all seeing, God knows everything. That means he is looking, watching everything. Don't ask me about it. You don't ask me. I know nothing. I don't know who is the murderer, who has killed that person near this tree somewhere else. A body had been found mutilated. Mutilated means disfigured and thrown. Disfigured and thrown under a tamarind tree. A few weeks before, a person was murdered near this tamarind tree. And who is the culprit? Who is the person murdered? Is unknown. Police is searching for. And Muni thought that this person has come to him. Giving rise to much gossip, the foreigner nodded his head and listened courteously, though he understood nothing, because foreigner did not know Tamil language and this Tamil person did not know English language. Now this is the great problem. Whatever Muni told, the foreigner did not understand, still nodded, means shook his head. And Muni understood that whatever he told, this foreigner, he understood. Let's see. I am sure you know when this horse was mad, said a red man and smiled ingratitude. Now, foreigner's mind is always in this horse. Foreigner का ध्यान किसमें है? घोड़े में है. Let's see. The foreigner's mind is always in this horse and thinking that what a beautiful horse is it. I am sure you know when this horse was made. He would like to know who made this horse and how much long time this horse has been made. He would like to know. The red man means foreigner, smiled and asked. Ingratitude means in the favor of or good graces of someone. In good favor of, he asked this. Muni reacted to the relaxed atmosphere by smiling himself. Muni smiled. What does this line means? That okay, anyway, this foreigner, this person has not come to arrest me, okay? And pleaded, please go away, sir, I know nothing. He asked about this horse and he thought that about this Murder case, that may be the reason. That's why he's telling like that. I don't know about this matter. Please go away. I don't know. The red man implored, please, I'll speak slowly. Try to understand. Foreigner told this Tamil Muni that I'll speak slowly, means slow language. You can understand. Try to understand what I say. Yeah? Can't you understand even a single word of English? You don't know English at all? Yes, this foreigner spoke to this Tamil Muni. Everyone in this country seems to know English. Yeah, in India. Everyone all knows English, and I have got along with English everywhere in this country. I have visited every place of India, but everybody speaks English, and I hope that you can also speak English. You can also understand English, yeah. But you don't speak it. Yeah, till now I don't know. Everybody speaks in India English. So what is the problem? Okay, then after what happened? Let's see. Muni made some indistinct sounds. Muni made some indistinct means unclear sounds. Yes, unclear sounds in his throat and shook his head. Yeah. Muni makes some unclear sound and shook his head. That means foreigner thought that whatever Muni has told, Muni has understood. Yeah, encouraged. The other went on to explain and learn, uttering each syllable with care and deliberation. Now foreigner is speaking a very low tune, very soft clarity. Let's see. Other means foreigner went on to explain at length. Length means in broad. Uttering means making noise. How? Clear sound with syllable. Each syllable, every word. Yeah, one word sound. Yeah, a word which contains one word sound. Utter cleared, just like A, B, in this way. He pronounced the words clearly with care and deliberation. Deliberation, long and careful consideration. With care, he spoke. May Muni understand, perhaps. Presently, he shielded over. Shielded means move towards somebody. Okay, over and took a seat beside the old man. Now, for the Muni was sitting, and here one also can and sit beside this very near of this Muni. Okay, now for can sit near the old man, explaining. You see, last August we probably had the hottest summer in our history. Now the foreigner describing his own biography, describing his own life story. What he told, the last summer is the hottest summer, okay, very hot in history, and I was working in shirt sleeves in my office, yeah, on the 40th floor of the Empire State Building. Now he was working one of the place named Empire State Building, and he was doing the job in the office, shirt sleeve office. Okay, then what happened? You know, you must have heard of the power failure. Sometimes current goes away, yeah, light, no current. There is a problem, you see, and there I was stuck for 4 hours. No elevator, no air conditioning. Now for 4 hours no current. I was stuck, means I was unable to move here and there for 4 hours. No elevator, no air conditioner. Air conditioning. Okay, elevator means no lift, no air conditioning. So imagine, I suffered a lot without electricity. How I felt, I know. If the foreigner speaking to Muni. Okay, all the way in the train, I kept thinking what I was thinking in the train. And the minute I reached home, when I reached home, yes, I told my wife Ruth. Yeah, the foreigner's wife's name is Ruth, and he told his wife Ruth. What he told to his wife Ruth? We'll visit India this winter. Yeah, winter time the foreigner can enjoy, because hot season they cannot tolerate. So they decided to visit India. It's time to look at other civilizations now. Foreigners, one of the ambition, they are happy to visit foreign lands, to know more about the foreign culture, foreign lifestyles. Yeah, so they would like to know about Indian lifestyles. That's why they decided to come to India. Okay. Muni looked reflective at the end of this long peroration and said, now as both are sitting together, they were sitting together, and the foreigners was speaking on his own biography, own story. Muni was listening. Muni looked reflective at the end of this long peroration. Long peroration is long speech. And the foreigner spoke for a long time. Muni was just listening what he was speaking, okay, and said rather heavily, yes, no. One time yes, and one time no, because the Tamil doesn't know English, yeah. As a concession of the other's language, yeah, that other's language to console, or the foreigner should understand that whatever he was speaking, he may understand or not. Let's see, and went on in Tamil. And Muni, because Muni doesn't know any foreign English language, that's why he started speaking in Tamil language. When I was this high, he indicated a foot high, I heard my uncle say. Now Muni what understood, and Muni spoke on something different. When I was this high, I was this में मैं इतना सा था. He indicated a foot high. Foot high means मैं foot high of this size, small size. I heard my uncle say कि who's Muni's uncle say, Muni के मामा बोलते थे, हाँ क्या? No one can tell what he was planning to say. And the other interrupted him at his talk to say, boy, what is the secret of your teeth? Now, as Muni was going to say that, when I was a small child, my uncle say, the foreigner stopped, interrupted me, disturbed his talking, and he told that your teeth are very shining, very white looking. Yeah, boy means to old person Muni, the foreigner told you are a boy, what is the secret of your teeth? Hello, तुम्हारे जो दांत का इतना सफेद है, मतलब क्यों? What is the secret means दांत ऐसे कितना सुंदर कैसे? How it is so white? How old are you? That means you are looking young. Your teeth is shining means you are young. What? How old are you? Yeah, foreigner asks like that. The old man forgot what he had started to say. Old man actually started that when I was a small baby with this size. My uncle say he forgot this line and started to say something different and say and remark, sometimes we too lose our cattle. Yeah, कभी कभी हम अपना जानवर को क्या करते हैं, भेड़ बकरी को जंगल में छोड़ देते हैं. Sometimes we too lose our cattle, jackals and cheetah may carry them away. Yeah, jackals, cheetah, they come and carry them. Means these wet cattle are taken by them. But sometimes it is just theft from over in the next village. Yeah, sometimes maybe theft. Theft means stolen by someone from other's village. Yeah, and then we will know who has done it. Yeah, later on it is known to us who has done it. How they know? Our priest at the temple. Yeah, in our temple there is a priest. Yeah, in temple there is a priest. At the temple can see in the camphor flame, कर्पूर, camphor का जो धुआं करते हैं, and the priest in the temple makes the camphor flame. The face of the thief, जो बकरी को चुरा के लिया है, वो चोर का चेहरा उस धुएं में आता है, priest को पता चलता है. Yeah, our priest at the temple can see in the camphor flame the face of the thief. And when he is caught, listen, when he is caught means the thief is caught, what do? He gets it with his hands, a perfect mincing of meat, means जैसे कि मांस को काटते हैं, the thief is caught like a mincing of meat, means perfect piece, huh? And finally chop the person. We caught this thief in different pieces. Foreigner did not understand what the person understood. He thought that we are speaking about the wood cutting. Foreigner did not understand the language, but foreigner what understood? Maybe talking about the cutting of woods. The what foreigner remarks? The American washed his hands intently and said, yes. What the foreigner said? I know what you mean. Foreigners हिंद तमिल को समझ नहीं आया और बोल रहा है मुझे मालूम है कि तुम क्या बोलना चाहते हो. What do you mean? Chop something. कुछ काटने के लिए बोल रहे हो ना. Maybe I am holding you up and you want to chop wood. Yeah, about the huh? Maybe I am holding you up means I am stopping you. Holding you up means I am disturbing you. Yeah, and you want to chop wood. Yeah, तुमको लकड़ी काटना है क्या? इसलिए ऐसे कर रहे हो. Yeah, the foreigner did not understand the language of Tamil. Let's see, where is your axe? अगर लकड़ी काटना है तो तुम्हारा काटने पर जो axe है कहाँ है? Where is it? Your axe? Hand it to me and show me what to chop. Yeah, I also know chopping. You give me, I will cut wood. Foreigner did not understand what Tamil he was telling. So okay, I do enjoy it. I also like cutting woods. Yeah, you know, just a hobby. It is my hobby in foreign land. I like to cut woods. Yeah. And we get a lot of dried wood along the backwater near my house. Yeah, मेरे घर के पास जो है पानी जो रहता है many tree, and I bring this tree and I also cut in my free times, and on Sundays holiday I do nothing but chop woods for the fireplace. Yeah, foreigner spoke on that. I also cut woods whenever I get time. On holiday Sunday I bring woods at my home and start cutting. Muni spoke something and the foreigner understood something. Misunderstood of the language we can understand in this paragraph. If you don't know language and we talk with each other, the conversation will be just like that. Do you understand, my dear student? Muni felt totally confused, but decided the best thing would be to make an attempt to get away from this place. Muni was totally confused what this fellow was saying in school. If you have the problem of language, definitely you will be also confused. Muni confusion thought that I better to save my life, go away from this place. Yeah, he tried to edge out, saying must go home. I don't like to be here. Muni tried to go home from this place and try to go. Muni यहाँ से उठ के भागने के लिए भाग रहा है जान बचाते हुए कि कहाँ मैं फंस गया हूँ. Where am I at now? The other seized his shoulder. The foreigner कहाँ लगा तो पकड़ लिया, तू कहाँ नहीं जाएगा. Seized means just clenched, okay, and said desperately. Do you know desperately means very sorrowfully, very painfully. Is there no one, absolutely no one here to translate for me? Means for not understood. This fellow is hard to understand my language. If anybody here tell me whatever I am speaking, may translate that he can understand very finely. Okay. He looked up and down the road. Who foreigner looked here and there. Anybody? Is there anybody to help this fellow? Which was deserted means no people there. Desert means the no people here in this hot afternoon. Yeah. The stranger almost pinioned. Pinion means immobilized by tying of arms. Foreigner ऐसे पकड़ लिया. Hold the arm of this Muni. That Muni was unable to go anywhere else. Pinion Muni's back to the statue. Yeah, statue की तरफ ऐसे पकड़ लिया. Yeah, hold Muni just like that and asked, "Isn't this statue yours?" Yeah, the foreigner hold this Muni towards the statue and asked, "This statue, what do you see? Isn't this statue yours? क्या है तुम्हारा है? Why don't you sell it to me? I like to purchase." Now foreigner's eye was in this horse to sell, purchase or buy. या foreigner उस घोड़ा को लेने के लिए, घोड़ा की मूर्ति को लेने के लिए बहुत मन है, लेकिन मुनि यहाँ पर सुन नहीं पा रहा है. Yeah, the old man now understood the reference to the horse. Yeah, reference means relation to the horse. Thought for a second and said in his own language. Yeah, Muni thought for a time, few moments, and in his own language, what did he say? I was an urchin. Urchin means small baby. This high, he showed this very high. When I heard my grandfather explain this horse and warrior. My grandfather means my father's father. At that time, when I was a child, means already 80 years, this Muni maybe 70, 80 years. 70 years, it is told already. So 70 years ago, my grandfather spoke about this horse. Means how old horse is it? Yeah. The other man interrupted him with, I offer you good price for this. If you say, I will give you more money, price means money. आपको जितना मुंह मांगे मैं देने के लिए तैयार हूँ, लेकिन घोड़ा को लेने के लिए मन है. या I offer you a good price for it. He said, indicating the horse, that I will give you more money if you say, if you give me this horse. Muni followed the man's eye. Miss Muni saw the eye of this foreigner. Follow the eye means try to understand what he was trying to say, and pointing figures and dimly understood the subject matter about the horse. Yeah, and feeling relieved that the theme of the mutilated means disfigured body had been abandoned. Yeah, abandoned means corrupted, destroyed. And enthusiastically, I was this high. When my grandfather told me, my grandfather, when I was a child, my grandfather means 70 years ago or 50, 60 years ago, you can imagine. What he told about this horse, about this horse and the warrior. And my grandfather was the high when his father, uske da papa. Imagine how long this horse is it. And he was getting into a deeper bog of reminiscing. Do you know reminiscing means? Given the book, recollection from memories, it is given in the textbook. Each time their grandfather's father reminds in each time, he tried to indicate the antiquity. Antiquity means the ancient story. Ancient of the statue means how old the statue was. It's okay. Muni followed the man's the Tamil that Muni spoke was stimulating. The way Muni spoke the language to the foreigner was touched by the foreigner. Foreigner liked too much the way of talking of Muni. Let's see. The Tamil that Muni spoke was stimulating even as pure sound, and who liked the foreigner, and the foreigner listened with fascination. Very interesting, he listened. I wish I had my tape recorder here. If I had the tape recorder, I would have tape record your voice. So nice voice that I can record and I can listen in my foreign land. Okay, he said, assuming the pleasantest expression. Foreigner liked the voice of Muni and told that I like your voice and I would like to take your record your voice. Okay, your language sounds wonderful. तुम्हारी जो भाषा है कितना मधुर है, very interesting. Your language sounds wonderful. I get a kick out of every word you utter here. Get a kick out means catch. Kick out means bhagana, laat mara nahi. Catch every word you utter here. Means I like your all words. What beautiful language you are speaking. He indicated his ears, but you don't have to waste your breath in sales talk. So in the sales talk means bargaining about the talk, about the business talk. The foreigner has come here to purchase this horse, and for this talk he had come. So I appreciate the article. Appreciate means I praise. I like this article. What this horse? You don't have to explain its points. Yes, my dear student. Let's see. The American stood up on the pedestal in the attitude of demonstrative lecture and said, running his finger along some of the carved decorations around the horse neck, speaking slowly and uttering his words syllables by syllable. Once again, the American stood up in the pedestal in the attitude of demonstrating lecture. Now, foreigner sitting in this part and presenting his language. Lecture means language, okay? Speech. And said, running his fingers along such a carved decoration. Now the horse was fully decorated now. I have no time to decorate now, but I have to save time. So very artistic. Now foreigner is admiring, liking the artistic figure of this horse. The excellent work. So carved decoration is very designed, okay? Around the horse neck, speaking slowly and uttering his words in a very low, slow tune and very clarity, speaking words syllable by syllable, means a word by word. He's speaking. I could give a sales talk for this better than anyone else. In the very clear sound, the foreigner speaking towards this, that I will give you money as much as you say. Yeah, this is a marvelous combination of yellow and indigo. Yeah, yellow is a marvelous combination. Yellow, indigo is dark blue. Yeah, very excellent looking. Yeah, this color is very nice. Yeah, though faded away, means color may be faded away, but still is looking nice. How do you people of this country achieve these flaming colors? How these Indian people have got these shining colors, flaming shining or blazing or color? How he got? He praised India. He praised the people of India. Praised the art of India. This foreigner. Okay, this is our guardian. Muni is told, what do you see? This horse is our guardian and protector. At the end of this Kali Yuga, Muni told, जब कलि युग का जो अंत हो जाएगा, this world and all other worlds will be destroyed. इस कलि युग के आखिर में पूरी दुनिया क्या हो जाएगा? बर्बाद, नाश हो जाएगा. Yeah, all other worlds will be destroyed after this Kali Yuga. Okay, and the Redeemer will come. Redeemer means Savior, the who God or Savior or the who try to save us. He will come. Yeah, in the shape of a horse. या कल की अवतार जो आएगा वो घोड़े के रूप में आएगा, called Kalki. Yeah, this horse will, Muni spoke to the partner, this horse will, yeah, come to life. At the time ये घोड़ा जो है स्टेचू घोड़ा जिंदा हो जाएगा. And gallop means run. Do you know horse run? Okay, and trample down all bad men. जितने भी दुष्ट हैं, जितना भी पापी हैं, all the wicked person, he will trample on his feet. वो उसके पैर में दबोच के मार देगा. This is Muni's view, Muni's faith about this horse, that at the Kali Yuga and this horse will become a god and he will kill every wicked people at the end of this earth. Okay. While he was brooding on this vision, now Muni brooding on his vision means deep thought in his vision, thinking. Do you know some vision, some religion, some faith, we have to think more. And वो अपने विश्वास में खोया हुआ वैसे बोल रहा है. Muni he was brooding in his vision means very deep in his thought. Foreigner utilized the pause to say, stop for some time and say, I assure you that this will have the best home in the USA. एक घोड़ा जो मैं ले जाऊंगा अपने यूएसए में, वो मजा आएगा, मेरे घर में रखूंगा. I will keep this horse at my house. Yeah, in my house. Okay, I am going to keep him right in the middle of the living room. Yeah, well, in the middle of the living room, I will keep this horse. Yeah, but Muni thinks that the horse will be living on and destroy punish all the wicked person in the end of the Kali Yuga. This is the view of foreigner and Muni. Okay, Muni continued his description of the end of the world. Muni बोला कि दुनिया का नाश कैसे हो रहा है, ऐसे बोला. Yeah, continued his description. Yeah, do you know description about how the earth is ending. Okay, our Pandit discoursed at the temple once how the oceans are going to close over the earth in the huge wave and shallows. Our Pandit, yeah, Pandit in India, okay, discoursed at the temple once in the temple they have said, what? How the oceans are going to close over the earth in a huge wave and shallow water. That means the ocean water will be very huge in quantity. It will be too much high. या shallows means निगल जाएगा, समुद्र पानी इतना उठेगा कि it will shallow us. या समंदर की पानी, या it will, what will happen? This horse will grow bigger than the biggest wave. When sea water, wave of the water will be bigger, the house will be more bigger than this sea water. That means घोड़ा जो है पहाड़ से भी बड़ा, समंदर का लहर से भी बड़ा और बड़ा होगा. The horse will grow bigger than the biggest wave and carry on its back only the good people. इस घोड़े में कितने अच्छे लोग हैं उसको उठा के क्या करेगा, बचा लेगा. all the sinner will be punished by this hearse. He said reflectively. Muni told his faith about this hearse. Do you know when it is going to happen? Do you know? ये घटना कब होने वाला है? Do you know? Foreigner, he spoke Muni to foreigner. Yes. The foreigner now understood by the tone of the other that the question was being asked, and I said, "How am I transporting him?" When he told that it will be like this, the horse will be like this, Muni spoke. Foreigner thought that how will carry this horse to my home? Oh, घोड़ा को देने के लिए फॉरनर सोच को देने के लिए तैयार है, लेकिन लेने के लिए बातचीत हो रहा है क्या? अभी मुनि की बात को वो फॉरनर ऐसे ही समझ रहा है. लेट्स सी once again. The foreigner now understood by the tone of the other that the question was being asked, and I said, "How am I transporting it? How can I carry this horse to my home?" The foreigner didn't understand. I can push the horse back seat and make room in a gear. Yeah. मेरे गाड़ी के पीछे तरफ इसको मैं रख सकता हूँ. Let's see. I can push the seat back seat of my car, okay, and make room in the rear. Rear means back part. Waving precisely means in exact terms at the back of the seat. Yeah, I can carry this horse on the back side of my vehicle. Okay. Let's see. This may be the terms Muni may speak like that, but the foreigner understood like that. Tell me, will you accept 100 rupees or not for the horse? Yeah, for this horse. Tell me, 100 रुपया काफ़ी है क्या? May I give you 100 rupees? Or if you say more than that, I will give you more than that. Yeah, 100 rupees or not for the horse. What is the bargaining rate? You tell me. मुनि अभी भी समझ नहीं पाए क्या बातचीत हो रहा है. वो अपना बोल रहा है कलयुग में घोड़ा इतना बड़ा होगा सबको मार देगा. For nothing that घोड़ा को मैं कैसे ले जाऊँगा? Let's see. This is the understanding between both of them. Let's see. I would love to take the whiskered soldier also, but I have no space for in this year. सामने दो सैनिक जो स्टैचू है, दोनों को भी लेना चाहता हूँ, लेकिन उनको रखने के लिए जगह नहीं है. I have no space to keep it there. If you tell me, then I can. Let's see. When we played Ramayana, they dressed me as Sita. Now, Muni was religious, always speaking that. All the mythology and the Indian Puranic stories, he's telling that when we played Ramayana, एक समय रामायण भी हम खेलते, एक्टिंग करते थे. They dressed me as Sita. मैं सीता का रोल लेता था. I was acting as Sita. सीता में लेडी. Okay. Added Muni. Yeah. I have my station wagon as you see. I can push the seat back and take the horse if you will just lend me a hand with it. If you help me. Muni told that in my Ramayana I became the role of Sita, but foreigner understood that you just help me that I can carry this horse to my wagon. Can you help me? If no language problem, the understanding will be that like that. Next, I have my station wagon as you see. Station wagon vehicle मेरे पास है. I can push the seat back. Yeah, seat back को मैं खींचूंगा and take the horse in it. If you just let me. Yeah. So do you know Mahabharata? Now Muni spoke another story about Mahabharata. Krishna was the 8th avatar of Vishnu. Do you know Vishnu has 10 avatara, and the 8th number avatar is Krishna, and the last number avatar is this horse with the Kalki avatar will come to destroy. And do you know foreigner he is speaking that 8th avatar is Krishna? Do you know? Foreigner doesn't know about this Indian story. Just he thinks about the horse to purchase. Now he is going on what the stories are of India, but he is understanding different thing. Let's see. I really wonder that you are saying because your answer is crucial. Yeah, foreigner speak like that. I really wonder what you are saying. क्या बोल रहे हो? तो थोड़ा आश्चर्य लग रहा है. Because your answer is crucial. Your answer is something critical. Yeah, we have come to the point when we should be ready to talk business. Now let's come to the talk of business. One other minute. Give me mind that we have to purchase business. Come to the business. Now, Muni once again told, when the 10th avatar comes, जब 10वां अवतार जाएगा, who is that 10th avatar of Vishnu? Kalki. Do you know where you and I will be? Do you know where you and I will be? Asked the old man. Do you know when Kalki Avatar comes, then he will destroy everyone. The horse will be life-size and lively and it will kill everything. Yeah. But foreigner understood. Lend me a hand and I can lift off the horse from this pedestal after picking out the cement at the joint. Help me, then I will carry this horse to my vehicle. He thinking that. He telling you 10वां अवतार आएगा तो घोड़ा इतना बड़ा होगा, it will kill everyone. He is telling them, you carry me. Or not telling the carry, help me, please help me. They don't know language each other, and this conversation is going on just like that. The old man chattered away in a spirit of balancing of the credits and debits of conversation exchange. Now old man chattered away. Continue speaking. Yeah, वो बोलते ही जा रहा है. In spirit of balancing of means up and down. Credit and debits. Do you know credit debits? Loss and फायदा और घाटा. Credit and debits. उधारी और debits credits. You know ATM in transactions. The of conversation exchange, लेन देन की बातचीत में हो रहा है. And said in order to be on the credit side, credit means profit side, okay. Oh honorable one, I hope God has blessed you with numerous progeny. Now, this Muni is coming to talk about the family story, about his family background. मुनि उसके परिवार को लेकर बातचीत करना शुरू किया. क्या बोल रहा है कि गॉड हैज ब्लेस्ड विद मेनी चिल्ड्रन, प्रोगोनी मींस चिल्ड्रन, पर तुम्हारे ऊपर वाले ने, गॉड ने आपको बहुत सारे बच्चे दिए होंगे. तुम्हारे बाल बच्चे बहुत हैं क्या? जरूर होंगे. दैट मीन्स यू सीम टू बी गुड मैन. मेरे नज़र में तुम अच्छे दिख रहे हो. या विलिंग टू स्टे बिसाइड एन ओल्ड मैन एंड टॉक टू हिम. While all day I have none to talk to. Nobody cares me. I am always in this place. Nobody looks after me. I am the downcast. I am poor cast. I am poor. Nobody loves me. Nobody cares me. But you are the good person. You came to talk with me. Really, you are a good person. Nothing the other interest in my speech. Nobody likes me. Nobody hears my speech. But you are the foreigner. You are like my speech also. Muni felt encouraged to ask, how many children have you? तुम्हारे बाल बच्चे कितने हैं? Yeah. With appreciate gestures with his hands, maybe 10. How much? In this figure, he showed how much children you have. He realizing that a question was being asked. The red man replied, red man understood कि घोड़े को 100 रुपया में एग्री नहीं हो. वो सोचा कि 100 वाला रुपया 10 टू, मतलब 1000 में तुम घोड़ा को देने के लिए तैयार हो गए. फाइनल ऐसे सोच रहा है. मतलब वो 100 बोला था तो 100 में शायद उसको पसंद नहीं हुआ है, तो इतना दिखाने का मतलब मुनि क्या 100 तो मतलब 1000 रुपया में घोड़ा देने के लिए तैयार है. वो ऐसे सोच रहा है फाइनल. लेट्स सी. रियलाइजिंग दैट a question was being asked, the red man replied, I said 100. या मैं 100 बोला था. Yeah, which Angry Muni to go into details. How many of your children are boys and how many are girls? Where are they? By pointing this. Yes. How many boys, how many girls? You tell me. Muni spoke like that. In answer to this question, the red man dashed his hand in his pocket and brought out his wallet. Yeah, wallet को निकाला. And he flourished a 100 rupee currency note and said, well, this is what I meant. 100 रुपया निकाला और बोला कि ये बोलना चाहते हो ना. या 100 and 10 times means 1000. या the old man now realized that some financial element was entering their talk. मुनि के दिमाग में अब थोड़ा सा घुसा कि कारोबार बिजनेस की बात आ रहा है. Now Muni could understand in his mind that when foreigner showed 100 rupees, he understood that he is talking about what? Transaction or business topic is going on. He peered means look very hardly, okay? Look with difficulty closely at the currency note. You know, Muni घर में खाने के लिए घर से वाइफ भगा दी है. They have not a single coin, very zero money. They are hungry, yeah. But here he saw 100 rupees the like of which he had never seen in his life. Muni has never seen a single currency in his life. Yes, and Muni has not seen this much 100 rupees in his life. What was this man flourishing the note for? Yeah, why the foreigner is showing me this much? Means this money, perhaps asking for exchange. Why is he showing me this much? Too much money to me. I have no much money to exchange. He laughed to himself that how can I give you this much exchange? Muni did not understand why he is showing me 100 rupees. And the notion is idea of anyone coming to him for exchange. Yeah, that if anybody comes, I can give. Muni till now did not understand that this person is trying to get this money for purchasing the horse. घोड़ा को लेने के लिए जो 100 रुपया दिखा रहा है या 1000 रुपीज को अभी तो मुनी समझ नहीं पाया और सोच रहा है कि 100 रुपया को देख के कि चैन मांगने के लिए दिखा रहा है. He said in a grin showing the teeth, yeah, ask our village headman. Yeah, our village headman have too much money that he can exchange your money, okay, or make some. Let's see. Ask our village headman, who is also a money lender. He can change even 1,00,000 of rupee in gold sovereign, not 1 or 200 rupees. Lakhs rupee in gold sovereign, gold coins. He can exchange. He thinks nobody knows. Who? Our village headman knows that कोई किसी को पता नहीं है. But dig the floor of his puja room. वो पूजा करने वाला रूम के अंदर में कितना छिपा के रखा है वो भी मुझे मालूम है. I know. And your head will reel. Yeah. At the side of the hoard. Side of the hoard means store of money. How much money he has kept. When you know, you'll be surprised. The foreigner went towards the goats and started to stroke their backs with a show of courteous attention. Now, foreigner. So the foreigner went towards the goats and started to stroke their backs with a show of courteous attention. Now, foreigner just came near these goats and started to stroke their backs with a show of courteous attention. Yeah, stroke their backs means just press by his hands with a very courteous means very kind of attention. Now the truth down on the old man. Now Muni understood that. He showed me 100 rupees. For what reason he has shown me 100 rupees? Surely he is going to purchase my 2 goats. That's why he showed me 100 rupees. That's Muni thought like that. As he went, the foreigner went towards the goat. Okay, he understood that the red man was actually making an offer for the goats. For the goats, he is showing me 100 rupees. Okay, now notes. The animals were not prize ones for a cattle show. Were lean and thin or maybe old one. बकरी इतना ही मतलब लायक नहीं है कि बेचने का लायक है. Yeah, the animals were not prize ones for a cattle show, but they did not look bad too. It is not so too much bad, manageable. Okay. While he was reflecting thus, the red man shook his hand and left on his palm 100 rupees in his 10 now. How many? 100 rupees in 10 means 1000 rupees. It is all for you, or you may share it if you have the partner. Yeah, it is all for you, 1000 rupees. If you may have any other person, he can share. Maybe 50-50 means 500. You can share. The old man pointed at the stations. The old man pointed at the station wagon and asked, "Are you carrying them off in that?" क्योंकि फॉरेनर का गाड़ी था कि इस 2 बकरी को तुम अपने गाड़ी में लेना चाहते हो. मुनि सोच रहा था मैं बकरी को लेके जाएगा, बट फॉरेनर बोला कि बड़ा जो स्टेचू है वो उसको लेके जाएगा. Are you carrying them to this your cart, your vehicle? Yeah. The old man said, "This will be their first ride in the motor car." There means the goats. बकरियां लाइन में पहली बार गाड़ी बैठेंगे. They have not said in this vehicle, never. Yeah, they will be their first ride in the motor car. Carry them off after I get out of sight. मैं जब तक हूँ उन लोग गाड़ी में नहीं बैठेंगे. Yeah, better I go leave this place. Then only you can carry these goats. Yeah, otherwise they will never follow you. कभी नहीं जाएंगे जब तक मैं यहाँ पर हूँ. बकरियाँ, the goat will never go with you. Okay, but only me. Even if I am traveling on the path of Yamaloka, मान लीजिए मैं यमलोक में भी जा रहा हूँ तो मेरे पीछे जाएंगे लेकिन तुम्हारे पास नहीं आएंगे. यमलोक या इन इंडियन माइथोलॉजी गॉड ऑफ डेथ, या कि दे विल लाइक टू गो मी डाई विथ मी बट दे विल नॉट फॉलो यू. ही लाफ्स एट हिज ओन जोक. मुनि अपने ही बातों में खुद हंसा और चुपके से भाग गया. brought his palms together in a salute, turned around and went off. Without saying anything, Muni उस जगह छोड़ के चल दिया and was soon out of sight beyond a clump of thicket. Clump of thicket means some small plants, dry evergreen formation with a mean height of the dominant tree of 8 to 10 meter or small heighted plants. वहाँ पर मुनि छिप के चल दिया. रेडमैन समझ नहीं पाया कि क्यों भाग गया. फॉरनर समझ नहीं पाया वो क्यों भाग गया. देखिए, द रेडमैन लुक्ड एट द गोट्स ग्रेजिंग पीसफुली. बकरियां अपना काम कर रहे हैं या ग्रेजिंग. पियर्ड ऑन द पेडेस्टल ऑफ द हॉर्स. घोड़ा का नीचे को देख रहा है. एट द वेस्टर्न सन मीन्स नाउ सन सेटिंग इवनिंग टाइम. टच द एंशिएंट फेडेड कलर्स ऑफ द स्टैचू विद ए fresh splendor. Now the sunlight is stretching its light in this horse, yeah, in this dim color. Okay, fresh splendor, yeah, statue with a split center. He ruminated. He thought deeply. The farmer thought deeply. What? He must have gone to fetch some help. मुनि जरूर गया है, एक दो आदमी को लेकर आएगा, एक घोड़े को उठा के मेरे गाड़ी में बिठाने के लिए उसने वो चल दिया है. He must be gone to fetch some help, I suppose. That's why Muni left this place without telling anything and settled down to wait. Now farmers sat down here and waiting that any Muni will come with 2 or 3 person and they will carry this horse to my vehicle. Okay. When a truck came downhill, एक तो truck आया, yeah, he stopped it and got help of a couple of men. Now couple means maybe 2-3 men. And they to detach means bring it horse from this pedestal. Detach the horse from its pedestal and place it in its station. उस घोड़े को लेकर अपने गाड़ी में रख दिया. Gave them 5 rupees each of the worker coolie, yeah, and for a further payment they siphoned off for gas. क्योंकि इस गाड़ी का गैस भी खत्म हो गया था, उनको गाड़ी से ही उनको थोड़ा सा मदद मिल गया. siphoned off gas from the truck. Siphon means use a pipe to transfer liquid from one container to another. Siphon is the liquid items transferred from one vehicle to another vehicle by the help of pipe. Okay, and he got the fuel also from the truck and held him to start his engine. Now as he got the engine oil, and then his vehicle is ready to go. Muni hurried homewards with ease, cash securely tucked in his dhoti. Muni is too much excited. God, that this was 1,000 rupees, 100 rupees, 10 times 100 rupees. Muni hurried around with the cash securely tucked. Tucked means, yeah, very tightly in his dhoti. Okay, he shut the street door. Yeah, दरवाजा बंद कर दिया. And stole up softly to his wife. चुपके से जाके अपने वाइफ के पास गया. And she squatted means sit in knee bend before the lit oven, wondering if by a miracle food would drop from the sky. Now she squatted before the lit. Now here Muni wife is praying to God. God may help me to supply food. Yeah. She squatted means in a lean down position asking God help me to provide food because they are so much poor that not got a single rupee they have to purchase item. Okay, before the lit when wondering if any miracle food would drop from the sky. Muni displayed his fortune for the day. Yeah, उसकी किस्मत ऐसा है कि he sees in this condition. Muni displayed his fortune for the day. Means Muni showed that I have the good luck that I have got. I am lucky person today. She snatched the notes from him. उसकी वाइफ उसके पैसा को छीन ली. Counted them by the glow of the fire and cried, 100 rupees. How did you come by it? How have you been stolen? Yeah, have you been stealing? कितना पैसा जिंदगी में हमने देखे. तुम चोरी तो नहीं किए हो? Yeah, I have sold our goats to red faced man. मैं अपने 2 बकरियों को बेच दिया हूँ. And I have got 1000 rupees. Yeah, he was absolutely crazy to have them. क्योंकि फॉरनर इतना मतलब crazy means mad कि मेरे घोड़े लेने के लिए मेरे पीछे पड़ गया है. My horse, my goat, and gave me all this money and carried them off in his motor car. 2 बकरी को मेरे उसे गाड़ी में बिठा के ले गया है. वो लेने के लिए इतना शौक था. Hardly had these words left his lips when they heard bleating outside. इतना बोला है कि नहीं बोला है. 2 बकरियां घर के पास हाजिर. They are making sign में. Let's see. She opened the door and saw the 2 goats. उसकी वाइफ आई खोल के देखी 2 बकरियां तो यहाँ है. तुम बेचे हो बोल रहे हो. या at her door, here they are. What the meaning of all this? इसका मतलब क्या है कि तुम बकरी नहीं बेचे हो, तुम डाका डाले हो. That means he muttered a great curse and seized one of the goats in his ears and shouted. या वो गुस्से में आया उसका मुनि. Yes sir. He muttered a great curse and seized one of the goats by its ears and shouted. He muttered means make a noise. The great curse, you goats, why did you come? The seized one of the goats' ear. उस बकरी के कान को पकड़ लिया, पूरा कान में जाके बोल रहा है, what is that man? तुमको जो मैं फॉरेनर को भेज दिया था वो आदमी कहाँ गया? What is that man? या बकरियों के कान को पकड़ बोला कि मैं जो पैसा दे के बेच दिया हूँ घोड़े को, ये बकरी को, वो आदमी कहाँ है? Don't you know you are his? Means मेरा नहीं हो, मैं बेच दिया हूँ, मेरे घर क्यों आए हो? Go back. Yes, the goat only wriggled in his grip. Wriggle means thrust, twist. In his grip means palm hold, just like shook the head. Okay. His wife glared at him. उसकी पत्नी बड़ा आँख करके देख रही है. And declared, if you have thieved, अगर चोरी करके कर पैसा लाए 1000 रुपया, the police will come. Yeah, tonight and break out your bones. तुम्हारा हड्डी पसली निकालेगा. Yeah, don't involve me. उस चोरी डाका डाल के जो पैसा लाए हो, तुम्हारा सजा तुमको मिलना चाहिए, मुझे नहीं मिलना चाहिए. You will get punishment, I will not get. I will go away to my parents. या मैं तो अपने ही मायके में भाग जाऊंगी. I will go away to my parents to save from this danger when police will come, but you will get punishment, I will not. Okay. So this chapter, whatever we discuss here, as you understood the lesson, but here as the problem of language, how the communication gap, they did not understand each other, like the foreigner and Muni. As foreigner came for purchasing the horse and Muni thought that for 2 goats. And finally what the incident and closing of the scenery we saw. We have the language problem and the understanding of the language. We have to fix this type of thing, and it is very interesting by K.R. Narayan, a Indian writer, to present 2 cultures, Indian and foreign cultures, and 2 types of lifestyle, foreign and India, to combinedly the writer written. And I hope that you have understood the lesson well. Okay, thank you, goodbye.